Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercenter, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a bit of a lift installed, as you can probably tell, giving you some increased height, some larger all-terrain tires, running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, mud flaps on the front and rear. But let's take a look inside. Accommodate any other cargo and reveal a collapsible storage box underneath. Can also be locked at the hinge. And in the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle with a 12-volt, 2 USB and USB-C, 110 volt power outlet, and heated rear outboard seats. This truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You have power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, and 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 135,482 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and then on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip 1, 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info such as your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, maintenance monitor, and then you can go to your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and a heated steering wheel. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, and a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate but also heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller, and on the right you have a 12 volt and 110 volt power outlet. Down below you have this compartment with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad so you can throw your phone on there. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center console area with 2 cup holders. It can be turned into 4. And then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, a twin panel moonroof, so you can lay in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.